3, 4. I'm just mad about saffron. Saffron's mad about me. I'm just mad about saffron. She's just mad about me. They call me Mellow Yellow. They call me Mellow Yellow. They call me Mellow Yellow. Hey there, I'm Niall, and today we're going to do a double lesson. A new technique and a song to boot. 2 for the price of 1. So the technique is palm muting, and the song is Donovan's Beauty from 1966, Mellow Yellow. Quite rightly.
Very nice.
So palm muting is a very important technique. You'll be coming across it again and again in your guitar playing. And it's mostly about the right hand, but there's also muting going on in the left hand. So the right hand technique is where you find the sweet spot on the string. Now every guitar is different, every set of strings is different, every player is different, every context is different. So for different situations, you'll need different places along the string. But here are the two extremes. If you put the edge of your hand back on the body of the guitar, you're not palm muting at all. It's just... If you put the edge of your hand here, you're completely muting the strings, so they just make a percussive sound like this. The sweet spot is somewhere in the middle. So, moving back along the string, let's try that. Little bit of music, but not much. Back another bit. We're getting somewhere. Back another bit. Yeah, back another bit. You can kind of roll your palm on the bridge like that to find the spot. Palm muting is a technique just as well suited to the electric as the acoustic. It's not just for picking either, it's also just as useful in fingerstyle. If you want to play something like this. Now the chords for Mellow Yellow are super simple. In fact, they're all the same shape. You just move it around to different positions on the neck. So the chords are a D block chord like this, an A, a G sharp, and a G. Most of it is palm muted. There are a couple of exceptions in the song. So the verse is 4 palm muted downstrokes on the D, 4 on the G, 4 on the D again, 3 on the A, you lift off the mute for the third A and the G sharp, which is just 1 G sharp, then 8 Gs, then 8 A's. For the last 4 you do ups between the downs, so that goes like this. And that's the verse, so it goes like this. The chorus is just as easy. You do 4 Ds, 2 Gs, 2 As. You do all of that 3 times, and then you do 6 more As. And you're back around into a verse. So that chorus goes. And that was a 2-in-1 lesson, how to palm mute and how to play Mellow Yellow. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, leave a like below. If there's a favourite song of yours you'd like me to do, please drop a comment below and I'll see what I can do. Watch a similar video up here, my latest video here. Subscribe here so you can keep up to date on what I'm releasing. I'm Niall O'Riordan. Thank you so much for watching. Learn a tune a week and build up your chops. Watch a similar video up here. No.